Hey everybody, I just wanted to tell you what we are going to be doing for the first day of this new week. And of course, we are starting out with our Bible, and this week we are actually learning about the meaning of Easter, Jesus' death and resurrection. So that's why you're seeing the crosses. So we will be doing this coloring sheet. We will be going over our sight words that we have, always doing our opposites book till it's completely done. This right here is actually what I'm using for pre-writing. I didn't have anything else, so I was like, this will work. So they're going to be matching from one side to the next, so they're going to have to draw a line. I also have this where you do use a do-a-dot marker, and they are going to mark every E that they see, uppercase, lowercase. I have no idea where I got these from. This is sad. This is from 3 Dinosaurs, and this is from ABC Jesus Loves Me. This, I have no idea where I got that from. And then I have this, and it had a rabbit on it. I decided I was going to use it. And it's for the letter R. So obviously I'm going to cut these out, and they're going to glue whatever starts with R in the boxes, and then they are going to circle whatever begins with R down here. I have no idea where this came from because it is cut off. Hopefully I'll remember to check that out and find it. Oh, also, we will be doing this. I can find and color words ending in am, and we have to help the squirrel get to his nuts. And we do that by coloring in the ams. Does it say? This was from the pack that I got off of Teachers Pay Teachers. Then I have this, and this is kind of like our little reader for this week. It's probably more advanced than what we've been doing, obviously. But it is from the kindergartensmorgasbord.com. And it's Easter Bunny, what do you see? So it's like the brown bear. So it goes through and talks about the Easter basket and all of that, which I hope my kids will get the meaning of Easter and not the Easter basket, but I'm trying to teach them that. This is just a game that I have out for the week. It's called Grandma's Trunk Alphabet Game. Let's see if I can open it here. I got this off of Amazon a while back ago. Okay, guys, sorry about this. All right, it opens up like this, and then it has alphabet cards and these, because there's different ways of playing this. There's riddles. You can tell them the clues, and they have to guess what it is, but I don't think I'm going to do this quite yet. I think I'm going to do this, and what this is you put them all face down, and then you say, find the first letter of the alphabet, and they have to say apple, starts with A, and then they have to decide what's the next letter of the alphabet, and which picture is that going to be. And obviously this isn't going to be boots, so they're not going to see the B, they're only going to see the boots. And so then they flip it over to make sure they're right. My kids shouldn't have any problems with this. I think they know the correct order of the alphabet, as well as they're doing pretty good with phonics. And this, I think I got this from Marshall's, but I have no idea. Yes, Marshall's, a while back ago. We still have not played it. It is an elephant balancing game, which obviously it stands up like this, and they have to stack all of these. There's a die, so that must tell you what color you have to put up on top. I thought that would be fun. So those are for the week, as well as these books are for the week too. The Easter Story by Patricia A. Pengri. I got this off of Amazon, so that is for this week. 10 Eggs in a Nest. Has nothing to do with Easter, but Marilyn Sadler. My ebook by Jane Belk Moncure. The Fat Cat Sat on the Mat by Nurit Carlin. Lucky Duck, Ellen Weiss, or Wise, I'm not sure how you say that. Obviously these are library books. Big Egg by Molly Cox. I tried to pick ones that I had actually gotten that were kind of Eastery spring-like. Clifford's Spring Cleanup by Norman Bridwell. This one is, if I can get a hold of it, Ollie's Easter Eggs by, I don't know how you say that, because it's not Oliver. Olivier? Dunray? I'm not sure. Look Out Patrick by Paul Gargotti. Gargod? I don't know. Sorry guys, I can't pronounce these. And my youngest son got a library card of his own, and he picked this one, Mater and the Easter Buggy, and we will read that one. This week we will be watching Buck Denver Asks What's in the Bible. This one is Jesus is the Good News, because I heard that this was a really good way of showing them what Easter is really about. And then I have these. There's just two, so obviously one for each child. There's one on the back and one on the front. And we can do this sometime. It's paint by number, or paint with water. Sorry, head's not working today. Brain Quest. We always do that. And we always do our brain games. And we're almost done with this. But I have the more advanced version coming. We will be doing these chalkboard eggs. I think possibly I got these last year. I can't remember. But I thought they could make patterns on them and shapes and decorate them, and we'll talk about shapes and stuff. This we did last year, but we're doing it again. My oldest has been asking about it. I bought these from the Dollar Tree last year. They're carrots. I just have beans down in here. These are from the Dollar Tree. These are from the Dollar Tree. These are actually from the bug kits from the Dollar Tree. And these are pieces of lettuce. These are a new addition because these were from my bento kits that I used to do. So that's what that is. And they get to have fun in that. My oldest loves that kind of stuff. And then these right here, my mother-in-law gave me these from her church. It was like leftover stuff that she had got, and we're using them. So there's two of these, and it tells you what color is what. There's jelly bean stickers to put on there with it, so we will be doing that. These are just for fun from the Dollar Tree, and possibly, maybe, no. I was gonna say possibly they can wear these when they do this. No, you can't even see. These are like drunk goggles. That's what it looks like to me. You cannot see out of them at all. And these are bunny tracks. There's 15. And I thought what we could do was, for math, go from one point to another point and count how many bunny hops or bunny tracks it takes to get to that point. So that is it for the first day, plus the weekly stuff that we have. And I will see you again for the next day.